Hello, Ivy. How are you feeling right now on the top of the university?
At the University of San Diego,
Uh-huh.
all things are possible. Greatness, love,
Uh-huh.
success, achievements.
Oh.
I'm just here to embrace it all myself.
Uh-huh.
One day I will be a great leader.
Yeah.
That
Come on.
was good. That was good right there. That's funny.
So, Gabriela, how you feeling right now?
We doing
Very
big.
well.
Very well.
I wish I would be there.
Oh, Francisco, how you feeling?
I'm feeling the best.
Oh, thank you.
And over there is like the
So you can see University of India at the top there, and यहाँ पे जो है गेम्स हो रही है, बास्केटबॉल खेला जा रहा है, तो इस कोर्ट में जो है वो फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं, इस कोर्ट में जो है वॉलीबॉल खेल रहे हैं. Means there is everything is possible in this world. So that's called the University of San Diego. Everything is possible, no? So you can see the beds, everything, the gym, the yoga house. So actually, that is the new building. So thank you very much. See you next vlog.